In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your password for your email account on Hostinger, a crucial step in keeping your account secure. Let's dive in and walk through the entire process together, ensuring you're set up for success. First things first, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the H panel, which is the main control panel where you'll manage your hosting services and settings. Once you've accessed the H panel, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to look for the email section. Give it a click and then proceed to select the Manage option for the website you're focusing on. This will take you to the specific email management page for that website, where you can view and update various settings. Now, let's move to the Email Accounts section. This is where all the email addresses associated with your domain are listed. Browse through the list until you find the email account you need to update. Once you've spotted it, look to the right. You'll see a three-dot menu, a little icon often used for more options. Click on this menu to reveal a drop-down list, and from this list, you'll want to select Change Password. This is the part where you'll be really setting your new credentials. Enter the new password you wish to use. It's best practice to choose a strong password, which includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure it's secure. After you've entered your new password, don't forget to click the Update button to save these changes. Good job, we're halfway through. Next, let's update the password for your Hostinger webmail to ensure consistency. Start by logging into your Hostinger webmail account. Once you're in, find the Settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon on the interface. Click on it, and then look for the password option from the menu that appears. This will direct you to yet another password update screen. Here, you'll need to enter your current password as a security measure. After that, type in your new password, the one you've just set up previously. You'll be prompted to confirm this password by re-entering it to avoid any typos or mistakes. Once you've filled in the necessary fields accurately, go ahead and click the Save button to finalize updating your password. And there you have it. Your email account on Hostinger is now updated with a new password, boosting your security. Remember, it's always a smart move to regularly update your passwords and keep them strong. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow this guide whenever you need to make adjustments in the future. Stay safe and secure online.